Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Netspend account. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, this is the official website, and on this website they have mentioned the one way is to withdraw your money. First of all, you want to close your account, then you need to withdraw your all money. Then you need to withdraw your money by using ATM, or you can say you can spend your all money on any kind of purchase and all, and or you can withdraw your money by using ATM. And once you withdraw your all money, then there is a one more method to withdraw your money. Then you can request you can also request them via check. And once you received your check, there will be a fees of $5.95 for receiving a check. And once you complete each and everything and your account is empty, then you can call on this number. And once you get connected, you can tell them that you want to cancel your account or you want to delete your account. Then they will cancel your account, and that's it. This is the one way. But another one way is you need to log in into your online account center, and you can close your account over there. But the best method is only this. You can dial this number, and they will confirm your deletion and all, and they will also send you a confirmation mail that your account has been deleted and all. So this is the best way to close your Netspend card account. So if you're facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.